Here are some more tips to keep your home neat and clean. Cleaning hacks. 1. Use baking soda and vinegar. These natural ingredients can be used to clean surfaces, remove stains, and absorb odors. 2. Use microfiber cloths. Microfiber cloths are effective at picking up dust and dirt, and can be used with or without cleaning products. 3. Use a caddy or bucket. Carry cleaning supplies in a caddy or bucket to make cleaning more efficient. 4. Clean from top to bottom. Start cleaning from the top of a room and work your way down to avoid spreading dust and dirt. Organizing ideas. 1. Use vertical space. Install shelves, hooks, or storage units that go up to the ceiling to maximize storage space. 2. Utilize hidden storage. Use furniture with built-in storage, such as ottomans or storage beds, to keep clutter out of sight. 3. Label and categorize. Label and categorize storage containers and shelves to make it easy to find what you need. 4. Implement a home for everything system. Assign a designated spot for each item in your home, and make sure everyone knows where things go. Decluttering tips. 1. Start small. Begin with one area or category of items at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. 2. Let go of duplicates. If you have multiple items that serve the same purpose, consider keeping only your favorite or the one in the best condition. 3. Consider the 80-20th rule. 80% of the time, you likely only use 20% of your belongings. 4. Keep sentimental items in a designated spot. Designate a specific area or container for sentimental items, such as photos or mementos, to keep them organized and out of the way. Maintaining a clean home. 1. Create a routine. Set aside time each day or week to maintain your home's cleanliness. 2. Don't leave messes for others. Clean up after yourself and your family members to avoid leaving messes for others. 3. Practice the 1-minute rule. Take 1 minute to tidy up and put away items after use. 4. Stay organized. Regularly review your systems and habits to ensure they are working effectively and make adjustments as needed. By following these tips, you can keep your home neat and clean, and maintain a sense of organization and calm.